Hey guys, now that Samsung's biggest event of the year is behind us, we're about to dive into everything announced at Galaxy Unpacked July 2025. From groundbreaking foldables to cutting edge wearables, Samsung just dropped some serious innovation. Welcome back to Ataria News Channel. I'm your host, and this is your complete breakdown of Galaxy Unpacked 2025. Before we jump into devices, let's set the scene. Samsung hosted Galaxy Unpacked on July 9th, 2025, live from Brooklyn, New York. The event kicked off at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and let me tell you, Samsung came prepared to shake up the foldable game once again. This year's theme was all about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with foldable technology, and Samsung delivered on multiple fronts. Let's start with the star of the show, the Galaxy Z Fold7. Samsung has been perfecting the foldable formula for years, and the Z Fold7 represents their most refined vision yet. The Z Fold7 features a larger, more durable display with improved crease technology. Samsung claims they've reduced the visibility of the fold line by 40% compared to the previous generation. The outer display is now wider, making one handed use much more comfortable. Under the hood, we are looking at the latest Snapdragon processor, up to 1 terabyte of storage, and a camera system that Samsung says rivals their flagship S series phones. The real game changer, the new AI powered multitasking features that can intelligently arrange your apps across both screens. But Samsung wasn't done here. The Galaxy Z Flip7 brings the classic flip phone nostalgia into 2025 with some serious upgrades. The cover screen is now significantly larger, allowing for more functionality without opening the device. You can respond to messages, control music, and even use certain apps entirely from the cover display. The camera setup has been completely redesigned with a focus on content creation. The Flip 7 now features advanced stabilization and AI enhanced photography that takes full advantage of that unique form factor for hands free shots and creative angles. And here's where Samsung really surprised us, the Galaxy Z Flip7 FE. This is Samsung's most affordable foldable yet, bringing the flip experience to a broader audience. While it makes some compromises on premium materials and camera specs, the Z Flip7 FE maintains the core foldable experience that makes these devices special. It's Samsung's answer to making foldable technology accessible to everyone. Now let's talk about technology that makes all this possible. Samsung has made significant improvements on their ultra thin glass technology, making these devices more durable than ever. The hinge mechanism has been redesigned for smoother operation and better dust resistance. Samsung claims these new devices can withstand over 400,000 folds. That's more than 10 years of typical use. But what really impressed me was the software integration. Samsung's One UI has been specifically optimized for foldable devices, with features like Flex Mode getting major upgrades. The continuity between folded and unfolded states is seamless. Now let's talk about what this will cost here. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts at $1,799 for the base model, while the Z Flip 7 comes in at $999. The Z Flip 7 FE, Samsung's budget friendly option, is priced at $699. Pre orders begin immediately, with general availability starting July 26, 2025. Samsung is offering trade in deals and early bird bonuses for those who pre order through their website. This launch puts serious pressure on competitors, with Apple still rumored to be working on their first foldable and Google's Pixel Fold facing stiff competition. Samsung is clearly trying to cement their position as the foldable leader. The introduction of the FE model is particularly strategic. It could be the device that finally brings foldables to mainstream adoption. At $699, it's still premium. It could be the device that finally brings foldables to mainstream adoption. I got some hands on time with these devices, and I have to say, the build quality improvements are immediately noticeable. The Z Fold 7 feels more like a traditional phone when closed, and the crease is definitely less prominent. The Z Flip 7's larger cover screen really changes how you interact with the device. I found myself using it closed more often than I expected. And that Z Flip 7 FE, it doesn't feel like a budget device at all. Samsung has done an excellent job maintaining the premium experience. So, what's my take on Galaxy Unpacked 2025? Samsung has delivered exactly what the foldable market needed: refinement, accessibility, and innovation. The Z Fold 7 pushes the boundaries for power users. The Z Flip 7 perfects the compact foldable formula, and the Z Flip 7 FE opens the door for mass adoption. Are these devices perfect? No. Battery life could still be better, and the prices, while competitive, are still high for most consumers. But Samsung has shown they are committed to making foldables the future of smartphones. But wait, there's more. Samsung didn't just focus on foldables, they also unveiled the Galaxy Watch 8, and these are some serious wearable upgrades. The Galaxy Watch 8 features the thinnest design in the series to date, with an ultra slim 8.6 mm profile. That's impressive engineering right there, making a smartwatch thinner while packing in more features. Both the Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic get some major upgrades. We're talking about a jump of 64 GB of storage across the higher end models. That's double what we had before. Plus, Samsung is using the new Exynos W1000 chipset across the board for better performance and battery efficiency. The displays have been completely upgraded too. All models now boost 3000 nits of brightness. That's smartphone level visibility, and they are protected by sapphire glass for maximum durability. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings that timeless sophistication with the rotating bezel we all love, plus a new quick button for added convenience. It comes in a 46 mm size with black and white color options. What really impressed me about these watches is how Samsung has refined the health monitoring features. The new sensors provide more accurate readings, and the AI powered health insights are genuinely useful for daily wellness tracking. The integration with the new foldable devices is seamless too. You can use your Galaxy Watch 8 as a camera remote for those unique foldable photography angles, and the continuity between devices is better than ever. That's a wrap up on Galaxy Unpacked 2025. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech coverage and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our detailed reviews of these devices when they launch. Until next time, keep innovating.